Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a few things you need to do to level up your dog or cat caring hobby in Heartopia. So the first thing that I think is the easiest is to just feed them food. You do get some points from feeding them through the automatic feeder, but it isn't as much as if you if you fed them manually. So as you can see, you'll see like cat caring or dog caring. You can also clean them or train them. That also counts as dog or cat caring. But those are only the few things you need to basically do. If you have more than like one cat or one dog, so for instance, you've trained one dog twice already and they ran out of energy, you can also either use the energy that they have, like the energy food, or you can train your other dog. So here I'm just going to train my dog, the shakehead one, and you'll see you'll get some points from just training them. I think, in my opinion, these hobbies are the hardest to kind of gain. I think the easiest for me was cooking and fishing, I think. I'm already level 10 on cooking, fishing, bird watching, and gardening. I just need to do insect catching and the dog and cat caring hobbies because I feel like they are very repetitive. So, like the dog and like the pet caring hobbies are a little bit repetitive in my opinion. And so it's less fun to do other than like not other, like then collecting like fish and insects and other hobbies and stuff like that. But yeah, those are the only ways you are able to upgrade your hobby is to by just playing with them, feeding them, and I think cleaning them as well. I'm actually not sure. Let's test it out. So let's clean my cat here. I'm pretty sure you get points from um bathing your pets in Heartopia. But yeah, I'm just going to skip it because this takes a long time. So yes, you do get points from cleaning them, but it's only like 5, so I don't think it's that worth it in my opinion. But yeah, I mean, you still do it if you really need more points for the hobby. But feeding them I think gives like the most points. So just manually feed them. I know a lot of people would like to just use the automatic feeder, but your pet will only, I guess they would only like eat it just little by little, so you won't get a lot of points from that. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.